Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you guys a quick little tutorial on how to get notifications on your lock screen on a recent Samsung phone. So by default on Samsung phones, you don't actually get notifications. You just get these symbols to tell you what the notification is, but you don't actually see the notifications themselves. So there's a quick way to fix this, and I'm just going to show you guys how. So what you want to do is you want to swipe down from the top and get to the notification shade. And here you want to click on this little settings icon. And here you'll go to the settings page that'll look like this. You just need to scroll down to where you see a lock screen, click into that, and then here you can have a bunch of options for lock screen, but the one we're interested in is right here, the notifications one. And you can see by default it's set to icons only, and you can either toggle that on or off, but if you click on it, it'll actually go and show you the menu where you can change things about it, and you can click on detail, and this is what I want, where I can actually see the notifications. And there's also an option here to change transparency, so if you want a little bit more transparent or less transparent, I generally want less transparent so I can actually see the notification. They also have auto reverse text color, so you can automatically choose the text color. I just keep that on. And then you have an option to hide content. That'll basically just give you the notification, but it won't show you what it is until you've unlocked it. Like if you have face unlock turned on, it will not show you the notification until it sees your face, and then it will show you what information is there. But I prefer to just actually go ahead and see it. And then the other thing is what kind of notification you want to show. So here by default we have alerts and silent notifications. I prefer to keep that alerts only. So yeah, just a couple things to make the lock screen a lot better, because as you can see, we can finally see notifications. So yeah, there you guys have a quick little tutorial on how to do this. Hopefully this helps you guys out.